Whether you're looking to boost your income, secure a comfortable retirement, or conquer that lingering debt, the right investment strategy can be your magic wand. Stick with me as we explore a plethora of beginner-friendly investment strategies tailored to your unique goals. Ready to embark on this financial odyssey? Let's jump right into it. Before we plunge into the strategies, let's lay the groundwork. What exactly is an investment strategy? It's not just about tossing money into the market and crossing your fingers. An investment strategy is a personalized plan crafted by assessing your goals, risk tolerance, needs, and overall financial health. According to Pew Research Center, over half of Americans are already navigating this terrain, each with their unique strategy. Now, let's delve into the captivating world of investment strategies that can shape your financial destiny. We are going to explore 6 types of investment strategies that cater to various preferences, risk levels, and time frames. It's like a menu of options, and you get to choose what suits your financial palette. First up, we have short-term investment strategies, the sprinters of the investment world. Think wholesaling, high-interest savings accounts, and short-term bonds, perfect for those looking to see results within the 3-year mark. It's like a financial quick fix for events like weddings or a stepping stone to more substantial investments. But beware, as it's all about profitability in the short run. Now, let's move on to the marathoners. Now, let's shift gears to long-term investment strategies, the marathon runners. Here, we're talking rental real estate, stocks, mutual funds, and even gold or collectibles. These are investments that mature over several years, offering lower risk and potentially higher returns. The catch? Your money is in it for the long haul. Winning in this game demands patience, and embracing it is the key to victory. Ready for a workout? Enter active investment strategies. This is where you get hands-on, whether it's flipping houses or managing your stock portfolio directly. If you're someone who loves to roll up their sleeves and dive into the nitty-gritty, then active strategies might be your jam. Let's explore the other side, the laid-back approach, and take a breather with passive investment strategies. Picture yourself lounging while your assets do the heavy lifting. REITs, rental properties with a management company, or index funds fall into this category. Less day-to-day involvement, more chill. Perfect for those wanting to supplement income or build a retirement nest egg without constant oversight. Risk takers, this one's for you, high-risk investment strategies. Think investing in startups or navigating the unpredictable stock market. While high risk often means high reward, it's not everyone's cup of tea. Typically embraced by the young guns with time to recover from any financial roller coaster. Are you geared up for a thrilling adventure? Then, secure your seatbelt and let's set off on this exciting journey. If you prefer staying on the safer side, then low-risk investment strategies might be for you. Perfect for all ages, these investments, like bonds, CDs, and savings accounts, offer returns without jeopardizing your initial investment. It's like a diversified safety net for your money. Smart investors often spread their capital across various options for added protection. Now that we've sampled the investment buffet, let's explore some time-tested strategies. Here comes the crescendo, the best investment strategies for beginners. These strategies offer the right balance between risk and potential profitability, like a well-choreographed dance. Let's spotlight a few to kickstart your research journey. First on our list, the classic buy and hold investments. Think of it as planting seeds and patiently watching them grow. Whether it's stocks or real estate, the idea is to hold on to your investments until they appreciate. A great strategy for beginners, offering some protection against short-term market dips. Next up, we have income investing. It's all about selecting assets that generate regular income, like rental properties, dividend stocks, or index funds. The beauty? You earn while you grow, creating a cycle that expands your investment portfolio. A fantastic strategy for those looking for steady returns. Let's talk about growth investments, the strategy of identifying emerging opportunities before they skyrocket. Whether it's the next big company or a neighborhood on the rise, growth investments aim to capitalize on future potential. A bit like predicting the next Apple before it becomes a tech giant. Time for a strategy that's like clockwork: dollar cost averaging. This involves regularly contributing a set amount to your portfolio, automating your investment process. No need to time the market, just stick to your schedule. It's like the steady drip that fills the financial bucket over time. Ever enjoyed a thrilling shopping spree? Value investing is like bargain hunting in the financial world. This strategy revolves around identifying investments priced below their intrinsic value but with high growth potential. It's about finding hidden gems in the market, whether it's undervalued stocks or promising real estate in up-and-coming areas. Value investments offer the satisfaction of discovering a treasure amidst the noise of the market. So, if you have a knack for spotting diamonds in the rough and enjoy the thrill of a good deal, value investing might be your forte. Now, let's move on to another strategy that's gaining popularity among savvy investors. Index investing, a strategy that's like having a diversified financial buffet. Instead of picking individual stocks, index funds allow you to invest in the overall market, mirroring a specific index. It's a hands-off approach that offers instant diversification. And guess what? Diversification is like having a well-balanced meal for your investment portfolio. You spread your risk across various assets, ensuring you're not putting all your eggs in one financial basket. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, index investing and diversification can be powerful tools in your financial arsenal. We've covered a vast landscape of investment strategies, from short-term sprints to long-term marathons, from active involvement to laid-back passive approaches. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. The key is understanding your preferences, risk tolerance, and financial situation. As you embark on your investment journey, stay curious, keep learning, and adapt as the financial landscape evolves. If you found this exploration of investment strategies enlightening, don't forget to obliterate the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. Your financial journey is unique, and I'm thrilled to be a part of it. Until next time, happy investing.